Welcome to this tutorial session. In this tutorial session we will show you when exactly to do a top-up. First, to know when to do a top-up you need to go to your dashboard and go to Profile Overview. When we take a look at the profile here, the rank is level 7. When we take a look at the ID amount, it's $680. Then let's go to membership site to see how this account was activated. So this account was first of all a level 1 account, that means 300 HU. After is top up 2, 100 more and another 100 more. Here again another 100. That means this account was built from networking from down. But this is not the most important part. Let's go back to Profile Overview on Profile Overview. So you need to make sure that your rank level is equivalent to your ID amount. If we are on rank level 1, ID amount should be either 300 or 100. If we are on rank level 2, this should be 200. Level 3 300. Level 4 400, Level 5 500, Level 6 600, Level 7 700. But here we see this is level 7. But we have ID amount here, 600. What we do, we need to do a top up. For top up we go to membership here. We click on Top HU Wallets here. The top-up amount is 100 because we have $600 and we want to go to $700. Now we put our transaction password and we click on Next. OTP will be sent to your email again. You put the upward OTP and account top-up. Now we go back to Profile Overview. Here we now have rank 7. Level 7 and ID amount is 700. What this will give us is that it will allow us to earn more rewards. We will now be receiving rewards from level 7.